Very good morning, dear students. 8th grader, I hope you all are good at home. So, as per discussion in the previous session, we have completed chapter 9 along with the exercise part. I have already sent you the homework. Get it complete in your books and send it back for checking. Today we are going to start with next chapter, that is chapter number 10. Chapter number 10 is embedding the elements. How to attach the elements with a table, with a image, with a hyperlink. This type of all activities we are going to discuss in today's session. It means when we are creating any website, we need to add a number of properties to make the website attractive, to make the document more attractive. So all such activities that are performed in the case of properties, in the case of changing in the setting of your document, that all are under the concept of embedding elements. So today we are going to start with the concept of table. In last lecture we have discussed about how to insert a table. After insertion of a table, how we can perform the properties on a table, I'll discuss through with specific example. You will be understood in a good way. So let's start with the topic. Which type of properties are implemented by table? This is our first topic. Properties of table, it means that will change the setting of table. The first property of table that we can apply, we have to save the table with a specific name. So first property of the table is to give the name to a table for saving in your window. Second, after giving the name, you can set the number of rows and columns. How many rows and columns you have required, you will enter the number of rows and columns in a table to make the structure of table. After making number of rows and columns, you have to adjust the width in pixel. How much width? Width means to say space of your area. Like take this example of whiteboard. How much percentage of space you want? 50%, 100%, 80%. It means the area covered by a full web page is known as pixel area. It can be given in pixel also, it can be given in percentage also. We can give 30%, 40%, 60%, 80%. We can give in percentage also. We can give in points also, like 300 pixel, 400 pixel. So it's upon the user which type of category a user is using. After giving the specific width of table, now you will enter the value in cell pad to adjust the number of pixels between the border. It means, now I am taking one example. You will be understood more. Suppose you have inserted this table. In this table, you have made the division like this. Afterward, which topic I am talking? First was to give the name. Second, number of rows and columns. The rows and columns, here it is, rows are 3, columns are 4. So table size is 3 by 4. This is second. Thirdly, adjust width in a pixel. How much space it is occupied on area, that is adjustment of pixel or percentage. Enter value in cell pad to adjust the number of pixel between the border. So how we will adjust the value in a cell? How we will adjust the value within a area? So to adjust the cell, we need to adjust the cell padding and cell spacing. Cell padding mean to say a space between two cells, like this. Suppose I am making this type of box. I am making second box. Here it is space. It means this type of boxes I have made in a table. So the space between two cells, the space between two borders. Border means to say up or down, left or right. The space between the border area, that is known as the value of cell padding. Now space between the text. Suppose I am writing here ABC. I am writing here ABC. So how much space will be taken from left, right, top and bottom? It will space between content and the border. Space between content and the border is the part of cell space. Cell space is the space inside a cell while cell padding is the space between two cells. Now you get more understand. Between two cell space, between two border space, it is known as cell padding. The space within single cell and text, it is known as cell spacing. So you have to adjust the cell padding also, you have to adjust cell spacing also. Now adjust the alignment. The table will be aligned in which area of your screen? It will be displayed on right side, center or left side. So we can adjust the table left, center and right. Three types of alignment we can give. If now the question arises, by default which type of alignment is there? It means by default table is displayed in which area? So the answer is alignment is of left type. By default it will be displayed in the left side. Next is adjust the border thickness. Border means to say boundary. How much darker border you want to give, that is the thickness of border. You will adjust the size of border, how much size thickness you want to give. So these all are the properties that are set for a table in a website, web document that is under the category of HTML. After doing adjustment, now we come to the properties of cell. Which type of property we can apply for a single cell? Which type of property we can apply for a single cell? For a single cell, we are having a number of properties like merge button. Like we are having two cell here, cell 1 and cell 2. I want to make it a combined cell including one cell like this. It means I want to combine the space of both cells. That is first concept, merge using buttons. You can select the option of merging by selecting the number of cells. First you will select the number of cells, how many you want to merge, then you will click on merge button. Second option, alignment of cell. What cell writing? Alignment of cell can be performed by two types. It can be horizontal and second alignment it can be vertical. Alignment of cell can be of two types, horizontal or vertical. Alignment of table can be of three types, that is left, right and center. After we will set the width and height. How much space in width and height will be taken by one cell? How much width and height you want to give to a cell? That is third property of cell. Fourth property, BG color. Any color you want to give in background of table, like you want to make it red, green, blue, any specific color. So for that we are having the property that is BG color. BG color is for to set in the background of the table. It will set the background. Whenever you write something, the color will be displayed along with the table. So in properties of table we have done 7 properties. In table of cell content we have done 4 properties. Now come to the part of adding text. How to add the text in your cell? Suppose you are having this cell, how you will add the text? First you will click inside the cell. I will click in this area. Afterward I will start typing the text. Like I am typing here ABC. And after typing the text, it will when you press enter key, it will automatically adjust the paragraph space. On pressing enter key, which space will be adjusted? Paragraph space will be adjusted automatically. Now you want to adjust the line space also. Between two line space you want to give. In that case, you can use the shortcut key, that is shift plus enter. To adjust the line space, we will use shift plus enter key. Paragraph space will be adjusted just after typing text and pressing the enter key. So this is the adding text method. Now how to do the setting of text properties. When we are writing text, which type of properties you can set? First we need to select the type of your page. Page can be of two types. It can be HTML button page, second can be CSS. So we will select here HTML as per our syllabus. Select HTML button. Then you can set the font format as a paragraph or heading. You want to make it as a heading document like this. This is a heading, or you want to make a paragraph format. So you can make a paragraph or heading. Second, you can do the text bold also. You can perform the text italic also. Bold italic mean to say it will be more stronger, it will be more darker, and italic mean to say it will be slanting. And create ordered list or unordered list, that we can also perform. Indent and outdent text. Indent mean to say space inside the text. Suppose I have written here space word. In space word, space between S and P, that is indent. The space between two character, it is outdent, or the space between two lines, it is the outdent space. So we can set indent space and outdent space also between the text, and we can collect the hyperlinking information also, on which click which page will be open. That is the hyperlinking information. So in today's topic we are doing the basic properties of table and text tag. Next time we will start with the next topic that is related to the image, related to the hyperlink option. Thank you. Have a nice day. Dear students, again if you are facing any doubt in any topic, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. It is 999 111 8890. Thank you. Have a nice day.